Go, Cheryl, let's go. 45. Oh, there's a flag. Don't be good. God damn it! You fucking idiot! You fucking moron! You just killed your fucking team! You're a fucking idiot! What are you even doing? You're not even doing the goddamn play! Oh my god! You see why this team is the dumbest in the fucking NFL? They were at the 45. They needed 5 yards or so to get into at least a decent chance for a field goal. Now they... God! Unbelievable! You had a fucking chance! You had a fucking chance to win! What a fucking idiot!